United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 182, privileges and immunities of certain persons connected with the authority, representatives of states parties attending meetings of the Assembly, the Council or organs of the Assembly or the Council, and the Secretary General and staff of the authority, shall enjoy in the territory of each state party. A. Immunity from legal process with respect to acts performed by them in the exercise of their functions, except to the extent that the state which they represent, or the authority, as appropriate, expressly waives this immunity in a particular case. B. If they are not nationals of that state party, the same exemptions from immigration restrictions, alien registration requirements, and national service obligations, the same facilities as regards exchange restrictions, and the same treatment in respect of traveling facilities as are accorded by that state to the representatives, officials and employees of comparable rank of other states parties.